Okay, we're going to make grape pickers dinner today. Here's chickens I get from Whole Foods, and there's the rest of my vegetables for today's meal. There's the whole shebang. And we're going to bring a pot of water up to a boil and add our chicken to it. There we go. Careful poking around, don't poke in the boiling water. But we want to submerge. Make sure it's submerged. There it is. Water came back up to the boil. So now we're going to turn it down to a simmer. And that's going to simmer for about an hour. Alright, in the meantime, you can clean your vegetables. These are leeks. We cut the bottoms off and the tops off, and we slit it a little bit down lengthwise. And we're going to take those leaves and get the mud and dirt out from between the leaves. There we go. Alright, there's the rest of my vegetables. I got turnips, parsnips, and cabbage. And you can either wait till the chicken is done or add as we go. So here's my parsnips going in, my turnips. I got the carrots already in there. Alright, I've taken the chicken out. I've got to make room for more vegetables. The leeks are going in. And then after a little bit, the cabbage is going in. You're going to end up with a very flavorful broth. There's my vegetables all done. There's the meat pulled off the bones. We're going to use this meat for reheating and making more grape pickers dinners or sandwiches. There's the grape pickers dinner. An alternative method, we could cook a chicken on the grill instead of boiling it. Here's my grill. There's the roasted chicken. Again, the roasted chicken, and I plate it with a half a chicken and some of the boiled vegetables.